if you want to get the top-down angle shot without spending money on fancy rigs, here's how I can do it with everyday items. Here's how I do it. So here we have a laptop stand, and it's pretty easy to find, and you just adjust it in this manner so it looks something like this. Then when you get your phone and you dangle it off the side of the laptop stand, you can now draw, you can now educate in this manner. It's quite simple, and it's very easy to do very quick using your phone and this laptop stand. Now, if you don't have a laptop stand readily available, here's another thing you can do. You can get a table, or actually anything that resembles this shape, and then dangle the phone off of the top of that and write or demonstrate something underneath. For example, if we have this table here and we dangle our phones off of it like this, and then we can get pieces of paper and now write things on the piece of paper to get the top-down angle shot. We can actually carry this table, put it onto this table, and get the top-down angle shot that way as well, and then crop in later on. So that's how you can get the top-down angle shot very easily, very simply using household objects. So thanks for watching. My name's Junius. I help people educate online and make better educational content. For more content like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.